Episode 3, Speaker Series. The Jiteng D99A. Let's do this.
Shutterstock Music.
How's it, people? My name is Greg, and this is our third and final episode of the Speaker Series. Now, don't worry, we'll come back to it in the future. But for next week, we want to look into tech for our back-to-schoolers. We'll call it Back to School Series. A big shout out to everybody who has subscribed, who has shared, who has liked. I'm very grateful to you. I appreciate you guys. If you're watching this and you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. So, the Jiteng D99A speakers. Someone sent this to me and asked me to make a review on it. So, here we go. Let's pop this open and see what's inside. So, after unboxing, this is what you get. The Jiteng D99A speakers. 2 satellite speakers. One with the Jiteng logo on it and the other with the volume knob, the power button and an indicator light. It connects, there's a 3.5 millimeter connector and one that plugs to your socket. Now, just looking at this speaker, I like it because it reminds me of the old Kenwood speaker. But at a closer look, you can see it's cheaply made. There's a little bit of a space to it. It's very, very light. Looks like it's going to fall apart if it drops from your hands for whatever reason. But yeah, it does look cheaply made. On price, I researched this, and this goes for 250 rands, which is about 15 US dollars. So comparing this price to the price of the other ones I've done, the Sonic Gear Quattro 2 and the Micro Live speaker, these seem to be in the middle of the bunch. So what's left for us to do right now is to check the performance of this. Let us test it out and see how well it performs. Let's go. Let's switch this on and we'll take it from there. Okay, I'm switching it on and I see the power indicator comes on. There's a blue light. So let's see how this works. Listen for any grainy sound. Oh, there's some bass to this one. That is very nice. All right. Oh wow, nice. There we go. Okay, I must tell you, this sounds wonderful. It sounds very clear. There's no grainy sound to it as the volume goes up. It is very good. Let's try it again. All right, now this sounds really good. Wow, I did not expect that sound. It was incredible. So to summarize, what I like about this, I like the old Kenwood look. I like the sound, and I also like the price. Cheap is good. What I do not like about this, unfortunately, you're getting what you pay for. It looks cheaply made, like it's going to fall apart. And no Bluetooth. Like I said in my previous videos, everything works better with the Bluetooth. So overall, not my favorite. I wouldn't go for it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Join us next week as we go start our back to school series. See you in the next one.